Hello, welcome. Hello T, nice to see you here already. Peter is also there on Discord. Let's wait a second here. People are coming to YouTube also. I think everything should work fine. You can hear me and see me. Yeah, welcome to our weekly order show flow with my person every Thursday, 3 p.m. Central European time or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Good morning to the people in Eastern time zone or in US. And good afternoon to all European traders. Yeah, for everyone who's new, please let me know. If you're here on YouTube and you never heard about me, just say hello. My name is Robert Rother. I started trading at the age of 13 and I set up my first investment company at the age of 17. And I sold my shares of that company, and in 2004 I moved to China where I set up my second investment venture with a Chinese partner. And at that time I managed over $100 million. And I had a team of 30 traders and analysts in my company, and I built it up one of the most successful Chinese platforms for Chinese financial markets information. But if you are quite successful in China, you get into trouble with the Chinese government, and the result was that I was detained in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese finance system. And well, the next 7 years and 7 months I spent in a Chinese detention center and prison, Dongguan Zhenyu on Chinese. Well, I was released in December 2018, and after the first year I wrote a book. It's called Dragon Years. Unfortunately, it's only available in German right now, but probably we are going to change this soon. And right now I'm running two trading communities, focusing on prop firm trading, one in English, one in German. And well, yeah, I will tell you more about this later. So for all of you who is on YouTube and who doesn't have a Bookmap license yet, I recommend that you sign up for Bookmap. I can also give you my affiliate link here on YouTube. Then you get a license key for Bookmap, and well, you scan this here, then you come to Discord, and we also have our own chat room here where you can post in real time without any delays. You can also see the live stream. The only thing that you have to do is to go to verify your license key, follow the instructions, and then you are also fine. If you scroll down under this section of weekly live webinars, you can find me and also the chat room. So yeah, these are just some certificates from Apex from me. Also here I'm also under probation status since September. There's nothing, I cannot open any new accounts, but I'm also not live. I still can trade my existing accounts, so that's working. This is also the day trading community that I have, lit.robertrother.com, where we basically trade every day live at 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And after this live stream, we're also continuing trading in our community, of course. Now, the risk disclosure: all Bookmap limited materials, information, and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice, no recommendations. Trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So the official part is done. And then let's have a look at the markets. Yeah, first of all, have to greet everyone, yeah. Here, PPTID, hello. Urabi, nice to see you again. Ralph, hello. And for everyone who's new, yeah, also welcome. And don't forget to like this YouTube channel. Yeah, what's the big picture here? Let's see. Give me 1 second, I have to arrange my screens. Are there any important news? That's the first thing that we have to check, yeah, before market opening. We had retail sales at 2:30 p.m. That's Central European time. That would be 8:30 Eastern time. Retail sales a little bit lower. I'm not an expert in these meanings of this numbers. I just want to know when there are news. 4 p.m. we have smaller news, business inventories. Probably we should pay some attention to that, but I don't consider that important. Yesterday we had important data and we could see that the market really reacted on that. But today here, one is at 2:30, there was no big. Here we have this little. This is a news release, little yeah, reaction. So, but nothing that I would pay attention to right now. If there would be a big spike like yesterday, if you saw that, then I would anchor a VWAP here to follow up this VWAP. That works quite well. Otherwise, the first thing that I'm doing, normally is the ES. I'm going to add VWAPs, setting, configure add-ons, and I have to. I mean, you can also automate this, but I really like to do things manually. Yeah, it always gives me a good feeling and some sort of routine in my trading preparation, which I'm doing every day in basically more or less the same way. So I'm just anchoring these VWAPs. One is starting at midnight, or this is 6 p.m. Eastern time when the market is opening, and the other one is going to start with the regular trading hours at 9:30 Eastern time. This is it. Hello, welcome here. So it's loading now, and I'm also going to do the same thing for the MNQ. Actually, we developed some nice trading strategies with my good friend Peter. And we could see here there's definitely a bigger move in the NQ, but I'm also anchoring the VWAP here. Oops, settings, configure add-ons. I'm going to play around with this today. I'm not trading view input, footprint trader, where is AVWAP? So we create a VWAP. I'm always using the same colors. This one, first we use the yellow one, that is for this color. Okay, and this one is also going to start at midnight, or official market opening. Anchor points, bands 1, 2, so, and then we create a current time. Also here, this one I'm calling this one session, and this one we're going to give it this name, this color, okay, and this is going to start in 22 minutes. And this, and this one also we call it day. So, and then also one thing that I always should do is we have this nice feature here. It's called multi-account trading. Yeah, here. So I have to add a new bot. Oops, for this account. Let me check here on my Apex account lists. Give me 1 second. We also want to trade real. I'm with you in a second. I just really have to adjust my correct accounts. So this one is for NQ. Add. I have no 2 here. Oh, this one should be the right one. Yep. Save and queue, close. So now if I'm going to trade, at least I am trading multiple accounts, yeah. So what you see is only the peak of the iceberg here. Carlos Nieto, el profe, ¿cómo está? More and more people are coming. Steven, you're here. Peter, Ralph, KP, yeah. Hey, Steven. So if you have questions, feel free to ask them anytime, yeah. Now I also have to do the same thing for ES. Configure add-ons, multi-account trading. So I'm going to add a bot here. And I'm going to do this one. Yeah, that's the daily work that we have to do, yeah. Because every day I'm trading different accounts, yeah, to basically diversify my risk. And as everyone knows me, I'm always trading real. I'm not doing any fakes about this, yeah. So, and for this one we have, okay, now I have to really switch ES for this one. Yeah, close. So I think I have to switch. If I go now and want to trade the MNQ, I have to go to settings, configure add-ons, multi-account trading, and then switch to NQ, the bot. Okay, yeah. Well, let's start with the ES. And again, more and more people are coming here for you. If you're on YouTube, you can also sign up for the Discord channel, yeah, with your Bookmap license key. You have to go to verify, and then you get access to the live stream and also to our chat room. And then you do not have any delays in posting. If you do not have a Bookmap license yet, I recommend the Global Plus version. That is the one I'm using here to execute my trades. So still 17 minutes to go, everything in place, and let's have a look at the big picture, the ES. If you follow my streams, then probably, I mean, in my community, they should know it, that we are basically in a range here all the time, yeah. This sort of range here. And the rule of a range is buy the low, sell the high. And we have a volume profile here in that range, and we have a point of control. And surprisingly, what did the market do? Went exactly to the point of control, and then we had a short sell off. Very nice trading signal. If you look at this, what time it was at 7 a.m. Yeah, that's not my time. I'm sleeping there. I have to say that. No, it should be this one. 15. Here's this zone. Yeah, actually the market exactly went to this point, and what is interesting, we can see that also liquidity popped up here, very nice, and then we have the rejection from the point of control, very nice trading opportunity. And after this, the market basically went back to sender here, back into this range. And now, well, this will be the point to watch here, the 6:15, 17, 18. This point of control, this long-term point of control is definitely important. Yeah. So it will not be easy to break through, but if we break through, it can go very quickly to the upside. If you look here on the longer term chart, then I think the next opportunity would be here 60, 76, this high volume node here. Okay, there's the end of the, well, probably here end of this value area. 60-40, we can add probably line here. This might be the target, otherwise the next high volume node around here, and also this high. Otherwise, on the downside, we have the support level, and we had this news breakout yesterday. We saw this one, and I like to add an anchored VWAP basically here. I'm going to change the color to white. So we can see we are trading still above this news VWAP. That's actually a good sign. Yeah, the market is quite strong, and we can use this as support zone, the 82, 81, 82 area. And well, yeah, probably we hope that we're going to break through this range and see higher prices. But this is also the big picture here. We are on a small upwards trend, but this is still a range here. Now we're going to accumulate, and then we're either breaking to the upside or to the downside. But as long as we don't have any direction, the rule for me is simply sell the high, buy the low. And for this we can very nicely use standard deviations from the VWAP. So sell the high would probably mean sell here the second standard deviation, and buy the low means buying the second standard deviation here. Please show your yellow volume indicator on trading view. This is only the point of control. This one here, what I'm doing here on trading view, basically this is a point of control. This is the red line, and I'm just using this yellow line. This is just an extension here, just a horizontal line to basically extend this point of control. And here in Bookmap I would use vertical line or horizontal line, and place it basically at the high, this liquidity level. This is the place or the price where we should pay attention to. So I really might consider short trades here for scalping trades. So if you have any questions, feel free. Otherwise we have 12 minutes to go for the opening. There are no big irregularities that I can see here or detect right now. No. Okay, we have liquidity at 60-40. Okay, I just discovered this right now. Whoa, there's a big liquidity zone. That might be interesting. 60-40 on a long-term chart, where this was here, this value area, the end of the value area. 60-40, very interesting. So this might be a target for today. This is wow, nice sign. So keep that in mind. It's the end of the value area also. Might be a target, and from there turn around. Little volatility, volume here at 70 area. Where's the 70 area? Anything important? No, okay, 70 is here, the VWAP from the high, probably a support zone. Would make sense. It's really the anchored VWAP from the high. So what I'm going to add here is the SPY to see if we see some volume surprises there. The SPY is the ETF on the S&P. There's a question. Loki, nice to see you again. Moin Robert, how do you look for previous settlement prices, and didn't you create an indicator for QT with settlement prices from the past? How to look for settlement prices? That's quite easy. You just go to the website of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Oh, still not loading it. So now here on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, you go to Markets, E-mini S&P, and Settlements, and voila, you have the settlement price here, 5989, and you can choose here for the last couple of days. Before you could have access to more settlement prices, but somehow the CME blocked this. But you can go to Trading View and ask for settlement price indicators and so on. Yeah, I'm going to add this one, 5989. So you can find settlement prices in Trading View. There's also some sort of indicator for this or add-on to get them. For me, I always like to do this manually because it gives me a feeling. Yeah, and we also had this for Quant Tower before, but since there was no big use for it, and since I think also it's implemented in Quant Tower, you have to look at it. Basically, look for close price. It's similar, but the close price is not actually the settlement price. Yeah, the settlement price is calculated during the last 30 seconds of the extended trading hours, and then they use the volume weighted average price. Yeah, we can also look here on specs, but this is mostly only a couple ticks. Yeah, it's all written here, settlement procedure. Normal daily settlement procedure. Daily settlement of the E-mini S&P and micro E-mini S&P futures are derived according to the procedure below. Daily settlement of the micro E-mini, actually to the daily settlement, blah, blah, blah. The lead month is uncollect for settlements and is a contract expected to be the most active. The volume weighted average price VWAP of all trades executed on CME Globex between 14, 59 and 30 seconds and 15 Central Time. The settlement period in the E-mini S&P will be calculated for the designated lead months and rounded to the nearest 0.25 index point. Yeah. So it's all here on the CME side. Yeah, I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes. And I'm also added here the MNQ, and here I'm looking simply for short liquidity trades, something like this. The market absorbs liquidity and is going to have a pullback like this here from 21,500, somewhere here, 21,499, down to 92 for like 10 points or something like this. You can trade this with small lot sizes, but well, let's see if we have an example for that later. Now we are back to ES. Okay, more and more people are coming. You can leave a like button here on YouTube. And also, I still remember, if you have a Bookmap license key, you can also sign up for Discord, verify as a Discord Bookmap channel. Verify your Bookmap license key and you get access to our chat room, and also have the live stream here. And for everyone who doesn't have a Bookmap license yet, feel free to sign up. Again, for everyone who's new or just switched on, the interesting point for me is definitely here 15, 16, 17, 18, because that is this point of control from from this long-term range, and the market already touched it once today, and then we had a little sell-off back to settlement price. Settlement price was quite strong here. And well, now let's see where the market wants to go. Yeah. Maybe we're also could have that we'd see maybe a small gap close, yeah. Gap close. Would be settlement price 89. Here we can also mark this support zone. We already went there once. Here, touch the settlement price here and continue. So this is the range momentar at the moment. Would consider long trades here, probably the standard deviation, and short trades maybe around here. Now we are just in the middle, so there's nothing that we can do. Simply wait and enjoy. So now market opened. And well, we wait. Day VWAP here, but if we are trading around this sort, it's a day VWAP always. Let's say in this sort of way, there is no need to trade. This is just a fair value zone. Yeah, I consider it. Now we have to find the direction, and then if the market makes a pullback, it's going to be interesting. So here now we are going to the downside. I would say that prices around 89 might be interesting for buying opportunities. There's still a big liquidity at 60.40. Would have been a quick trade, but it's too early in the day to take the trade, but nice touch. Market is continuing, but I look more on this level here, 89 or 87. What you could do is to end at an anchored VWAP here at this low. See how this one is reacting. Oh, it was a nice support here. Market went there and then breaks through. Again, right now with this volatility and with this thin order book that we can see here, only 2 digits, yeah, we have a very fast market. So trades are going to be very choppy, fast. I'm using 10 ticks, 10 ticks, 10 ticks take profit, 10 ticks take stop loss right now. That's working fine for me. See, you want to see MNQ doing oi. So here also similar movements, nice trade to the VWAP, and so we see some liquidity on the 21,600. And you can see this market is really on steroids, yeah, very, very fast. But how to trade this, I will talk more about this after this live stream in our private group. Okay. Just absorb the liquidity at the VWAP, but now it's not the time to trade the VWAP here. But it's always interesting to see the confirmation where the VWAP is, there's also liquidity. That means the big players are respecting this sort of zone. Oh, this one worked nice. Hello Rezo, hello, can you show how you activate day VWAP in Bookmap? Yeah, well, you simply go to settings, configure add-ons, then you have VWAP, you create a VWAP and then you simply enter the time that you want the VWAP to have, yeah? This one starting at midnight, this is Central European time, depends on which time zone you are. And this one is starting at regular trading hours, yeah? Just enter the time here and then it's done. If you want to add bands, you do this here, show band. Here you can choose the color, and that's it. You can also automate it, basically anchor now, add clear, yeah. But I like to do it manually. I'm old-fashioned in that way. And how to place a trade? Shortcut, basically I'm using my mouse. You go here to activate the show, hide this trade panel, yeah. You click here on this one. It's green, then you click here on chart, dome or both. If you want to trade from the dome, I'm not using this one, I'm trading from the chart. You can also trade from both. And then you choose what we have here. You can choose also, if you want to look at here, you can also place a trade at the micro if you want, yeah. So you look the chart from the ES, but you trade the micro, that's possible. Then you have to click on start. I'm trading the ES. This flag means that you save your position size. You can go here, for example, 2. If you click this one now, then you cannot increase your position size. Here you can choose your position size. Here you can cancel the open sell orders, cancel all open buy orders, and flatten means you are out with everything. You close the position and you close all open orders. Or if you want to have quick, you can here buy market, ask bid, yeah. Brackets that I'm using, take profit, stop loss, brackets, and you can create the ticks. And then you basically go here, yeah, on the chart with the left mouse click, please confirm sending bracket limit buy order. You see it here, send. You can also deactivate this. I would not consider, except you're a very fast trader. I'm already fast, but I only trade with limit orders. So if I click send now, I have the order here in the market. I can move it up, move it down, and if I click again, I can change the position size, or I can cancel it. And if you want to have a sell limit order, you click with the right mouse click, oops, size again, 1, 2, so right click, please confirm sending bracket limit sell order, send, don't send. If you click with the left mouse above the market price, again, then please confirm sending bracket limit buy. Then you then you're already here. You get already filled. That was my mistake. You have to press shift and the mouse click, and then you can place a bracket stop limit buy. Yeah. So if I send this order now, there's a stop limit. If the market comes to here, I have a buy limit order here. Yeah. And I'm basically not using this sort of tactic. No, you mean this one here? This is a fixed range volume profile. Click here. You draw it, place a time zone, and then you got this. Should be, I think, here under projections, fixed range volume profile. And then if you click the star, you get it here in that shortcut panel. Yes, copy trading is available if you go to settings, configure add-ons, It's called multi-account trading here. Multi-account trading. And then you can add a bot and add different accounts. But as it's only available for Apex right now. I started developing this together with Bookmap since I'm an Apex trader. And if you add bot, you have your master account, yeah, and you have your slave accounts that you can trade. I'm still have my first Apex account, yeah, Apex 01. It's almost a year old now. Got a lot of payouts from this one. And then you can add other accounts. So right now the market is still here in a sort of range, yeah. When you look at the other markets, all similar. You can see this is a big range that we are trading here right now. So the market is accumulating some sort of size. And then we are going to break out. And if we look at this big picture here, there's liquidity still at 60-40, yeah. Dan Key, no, basically I do not use the deviation bands for events when use VWAP, correct. Otherwise it's getting too messy, the picture, you know, you're getting too confused. Exactly, Alois Santa, you must have the 7.6 version. You simply go to, I cannot click on this, or no I can, update, check for updates, and the newest builds or medium stable, I think must be the production and beta version. Then you must add the configured ons. So now it's going to be a little bit interesting here. We're going direction of settlement price again. And I might consider a small long trade here. At this zone and the second standard deviation. Send tick below because we're very choppy here, exactly at this line. Go with the second standard deviation here. Okay, now we got the fill. Let's see if we can get the pullback here. Okay, perfect trade. Day is over. Made enough money on all accounts. So these are the nice scalping trades that I really like to make your homework. Settlement price, second standard deviation, touch. Algos are starting to buy, and maybe the market is going to continue, but for me it's all I need, yeah. Again, trading settings, count executions. Trade took exactly bought 55 13 55 30 17 seconds. I mean, yeah, well, let me see what sort of configurations I have here for this. Number, row size, volume. Which version of do you have from TradingView? I have the premium version. Can always suggest when there's Black Friday, always extend your premium version or your book TradingView version, then you save a lot of money. So now I exactly got this scalp trade and the market is continue to going downside. Now what you can do is to add an anchored VWAP here, because it seems to be the market has a direction. Look here at a 1 minute chart. Market touched the point of control. Now the next, let me see, what is this on a 50-minute chart? Yeah, the next big support zone is here. Interesting, the 81, that's the VWAP, that might be the next target point. If this VWAP breaks, okay, well, that is the next support zone. Very nice trading, touching point of control, sell off, going to VWAP, and here the market should stop at 81. Otherwise it's getting messy, and we can see here market has a reaction. The low was 82.25. You could add an anchored VWAP here to assume that the long-term VWAP is going to hold here. Yeah. And again, Alexander, yeah, you cannot compare the data from TradingView with Bookmap, of course. It's the different function of that software. But on the other side, it's very fast, and you have all the markets immediately on hand. Yeah. So now this VWAP, well, I'm just assuming here that we might have a bottom. Yeah, it's just, but it seems to be not. What do you mean with HD? Maybe you, if you want to get it so, put it here, just go right click, settings, and row size, change the row size to 200. Okay, there's big liquidity. 1000 lot order came in at 604. What's at 604? Wait, that's big thing here. 1000 lots. Probably it was this order taken out, now it's here. Still in place is the VWAP from the high. Okay, I think it was this order, this order, this order. Now this order is placed here, this 1000 lot order. So now it's interesting. If the market is breaking through this VWAP, then this VWAP is going to hold. Then the downtrend is over. And this order is now also disappearing here. Interesting. Someone is playing around with 1000 lots. So now we are in a sort of pinch situation from these two VWAPs, this one from the low, this one from the high, and now we have to see what the market wants to do. Okay, it doesn't seem to be the end. So, still here building up this range, yeah, below the settlement price. Okay, Urabi, so problem solved, yeah. my quantum computer stock also goes nuts. This VWAP from the high and the settlement price really holding quite well. Yeah, so still in the range here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them now. But there's nothing to trade here at the moment. So now we are again here at this long-term VWAP. Oops. Here, exactly, this is a breaking point. VWAP from the news. 980, what is this here? This is now important. Yeah, that's now definitely short. If we look at it now, we are probably through. Now almost already at the second VWAP from the high, the last support. Will be an interesting zone. If you break through this, then I see the next support here only at 48. The lows here, this area. The VWAP will go up. The lows are here, so 50, around 950. Anyway, I did my profit today already. So if you have no more questions, then I would say for my community members, we see each other in a couple of minutes. And who is not a member of my communities yet here, we have our LIT day trading community. And you can join this one. And there you can see how we are trading every day together. Live like this, and developing new strategies is a small group. It's a monthly fee of 997 or yearly fee of 297. Yeah, so you save a lot if you sign up for 1 year. For 1 year it's 2997 USD. So and well, we are focused on prop firm trading. You can see we have a lot of videos about video collection, everything that we are doing. And if you want to just have a look, you can also come to our free group, Traders Mindset, where I keep you up to date and get all the latest information about my trades. Anyway, thank you, and see you either in a couple of minutes in our community or next Thursday, same time, same place. So, bye.